Hi, everybody, Justine from Art Behaviour, and welcome to our series that we are introducing. And we're specifically looking at case studies. A lot of people ask me, what is the work I do and how did I come about to building these programs that I use now with businesses, children, adults, you name it, it's been tried. And what I was particularly fascinated on my journey of growing was if I felt I'd gotten to a point that I had used the technique somewhere, I wanted to take it and trial it somewhere else where it had not been used and kind of rip apart what I was doing so I could really understand what am I doing? What is my purpose? How's this program evolving and supporting people? And you'll hear me say a lot of these programs are built based on the people I met along the journey. And then taking one person, what I've learned with them, and then obviously applying it to other similar case studies in that area. And this one person I came across helped me understand, especially the brain, and how when even the brain is damaged, how it can rebuild itself. And I had this gentleman come in. He had basically been in a car accident and lost the right-hand side of his brain in the damage, and had even to the point basically shut down, was physically could not walk. And he came to me and he said, would what you do actually help me? And I said, well, I don't know, let's try it. It happened to be at the time teaching art classes, and he said, by the end of it, I want to give my daughter a gift and show her that I've achieved something today and get where my brain is to focus on one area. So we started working out a system, and it was how to physically make him move with his left side because he couldn't move his right side, and how to connect that specifically with drawing techniques. But it was more the shading techniques that we were exploring, and how to take something that's flat and make it look three-dimension. He spent 6 months on it, and he was really, really pushing through it and working through it. And at the end of the 6 months, he presented this as a gift to his daughter. It was so inspirational to see how he kept on with this and didn't give up on it. But not only that, how his brain was actually taking everything that was all over the place and bringing it to a center point to actually focus and move things forward. So that was one of my really interesting case studies that I learned a lot about how when we perceive the brain has been damaged, how the brain is so powerful and can actually rebuild itself just with certain techniques, emotions, understandings, and even exploring into your personal life of your emotions. So as always, I'm always grateful to my students that I've met along the way.